You need to set up groups at the course level and then apply them to a specific activity. Scroll down a little bit and under Administration, choose Groups. You are first going to need to set up the correct number of groups. To do this, choose the Create Groups button. Give the group a name and then save changes. Repeat this process until all groups are created. Now you need to populate each group with members. Choose the Add Remove Users button to do so. Select a student's name. Use the Add button to add that student to a group. Repeat until all desired members are added. Repeat for all created groups. Use the Back to Groups button to return to your list of groups. Select the next group and repeat the process. Once all groups are created, you need to return to the main Moodle page. Now you need to choose which activities these groups apply to. Choose to create a new activity or update the settings of an activity that has already been created. First, you need to make sure that editing is turned on. Either choose the Turn Editing On link under Administration or the button in the upper right of the screen. Now I'm going to use the section links to send me to Section 7 where the activity is located. Then I'm going to click the box in the upper right of the topic so that only this topic is shown to avoid unnecessary scrolling. Double rectangles mean that only the topic is showing, while a single rectangle means that all topics are visible. There are two ways you can change an activity from the whole class to groups. You can use the Groups Editing tool here, or you can go into the activity settings by clicking on the hand with the pencil. Scroll to the bottom of the settings until you see Group Mode. Right now, the No Groups option is selected. This is the default option. When No Groups is selected, all participants enrolled in the course will be using the activity at the same time. Separate groups will put users into the group you already created for them. They will only see each other's work and all other participants will be invisible. Visible groups will still put users into the groups you created. They will work in these groups, but can also see other groups. Choose the correct group setting and hit Save and Display. This choice will send you into the activity. In the upper left of the screen, you can see the separate groups is chosen, and here are the groups you have already set up. If you return to the main course page, and return to the activity, you can now see that you have chosen this activity to be set to groups, while this one is still set to no groups.